Vybz Kartel.
Well, go on, Mr. Miller.
Kartel at the top of his game, then all of a sudden, jail. 13 years and an acquittal later.
That's rough. 13 years rough.
The only thing we could have said is a surreal feeling, you know? More time I have to pinch her to find out for just for say, January. I wonder if I dream, I dream.
The Ramping Shop DJ's dream coming through on July 31st.
People, this artist is lyrically, bro. He's a genius, bro. He's gifted lyrically, bro. Vybz Kartel, the king of dancehall. Bro, if you do not know Vybz Kartel, bro, sell your phone, bro. You understand? Give it away, bro. Because this artist, bro, since he's out of jail, bro, he's on every For You page, bro. As you open your phone, bro, this guy is like Vybz Kartel.